On March 20, 2009, a major incident occurred in the Strait of Hormuz. The USS Hartford collided with the USS New Orleans. This accident caused significant damage to both vessels. The USS Hartford suffered damage to its periscope, sail and bow plane. The USS New Orleans had a large hole in its fuel tank. The collision highlighted the risks in naval operations. The Navy launched a full investigation into the cause of the collision. The investigation revealed a series of errors and poor decisions. These mistakes ultimately led to the accident. One of the key findings was the issue of fatigue among the crew of the USS Hartford. The crew had been on a long deployment. They were operating under stressful conditions. The investigation revealed that some crew members were likely sleep-deprived. This fatigue contributed to a lack of focus and awareness. The investigation also highlighted complacency as a contributing factor. The crew may have become overconfident. They were operating in what they perceived to be a low-risk environment. This complacency led to a relaxation of procedures and a failure to follow protocols. This dangerous combination of fatigue and complacency created an environment ripe for error. The investigation emphasized that even in seemingly safe waters, vigilance and strict adherence to safety protocols are paramount. The collision between the USS Hartford and the USS New Orleans came with a hefty price tag. The total cost was estimated to be a staggering $3.5 billion. This highlights the immense financial implications of such accidents. These costs underscore the importance of investing in training and safety measures. Beyond the financial burden, the incident had significant operational impacts. Section 4. Lessons learned. The collision between the USS Hartford and the USS New Orleans served as a harsh wake-up call for the US Navy. It highlighted the critical importance of human factors in naval operations. Fatigue, complacency, and communication breakdowns can have disastrous consequences. The incident prompted the Navy to implement a number of changes. These changes focused on improving safety and preventing similar accidents. The Navy increased its emphasis on fatigue management. They introduced new guidelines and training programs to address the issue of crew fatigue. They also strengthened their procedures for risk assessment and management. The Navy reinforced the importance of communication and teamwork among crew members. They emphasized the need to speak up if they identify a potential hazard. The incident also led to a renewed focus on the importance of basic seamanship skills. Section 5. The Importance of Vigilance. The collision between the USS Hartford and the USS New Orleans underscores a vital lesson. Constant vigilance and adherence to safety protocols are non-negotiable, even in seemingly benign situations. The incident serves as a reminder that complacency can have disastrous consequences. The vastness and unpredictable nature of the sea demand constant attention and a commitment to safety. Every crew member, regardless of rank or experience, plays a crucial role in maintaining the safety of a vessel. The incident highlights the importance of clear communication, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to safety among all crew members. The lessons learned from this collision continue to shape naval training and operations today. The incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of vigilance, communication, and a steadfast commitment to safety in the challenging and unforgiving environment of the sea.